Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to download Digital Factory 10 OKI Edition. If you got the box that comes with it, has a CD in it, you can go ahead and pop that in and install it that way. If you don't have a CD drive or you didn't get the CD for some reason, I'm going to show you how to do it online. So we just basically go to cadlink.com, as you can see in the top here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and there's this installer download button. Once you're on here, you'll click on the Digital Factory button and then click on Digital Factory version 10 OKI Edition and hit the install, and then wait for that to install. Once it's finished installing, you go ahead and click it just to open it up. You click on this up here at the top, compressed folder, then you just hit extract all and extract it, and then wait for that to finish. Once this is done, you'll just go back to your downloads, click on the download link. This is the point you would be at if you have the CD. You'll open up and you'll just see all of this basically here. So what you're looking for is the one that says setup and then application on this side. You'll just double click that to open it up. Hit yes there. You can pick your language. And then this is the part where you're going to want to insert your USB dongle. It'll either look like this or this. Basically just plug it in, which I'll do right now. You can see I've inserted a USB there. And then just hit next, and then we're to the point where we can download. So 64-bit is the recommended, so you can click that. Next, you can read through all of this, accept the terms, and then make sure you click the full install, and then you can pick where you would like to install it on your computer. I'm just going to leave it where it is for right now. And then just next on this screen. And then we're just going to wait for it to install. Once that's done, you're going to have to go ahead and restart your computer, so I'll just do that here. Once you restart your computer and then reopen the software, you'll see this window here that says first time setup. You'll pick what increments you want it to be in. I'll leave it in inches. Decimal places is not super important there either. Then you can just hit continue. This is just for the compass, which is basically your guide to the software. It is pretty helpful in some situations. You can always register it right now at this point, or you can register it later. Then we're just going to hit the next button here, make sure it's plugged in. Then basically what we're going to do is install the printer. So you'll pick whatever printer you have. We're going to do the OKI Pro 8432 WT for today. And then we'll just search the cloud for print drivers. This doesn't take very long typically. Then we can hit next. Port setup. The port you're looking for here is going to be the OKI port. I'll show you this in another clip here in a second. So you would basically just click the OKI one, hit next, finish, and then this should skip on to the software, and now we are in the software. So this is what the software looks like. Pretty much all you're going to need to do at this point. Photo queue and graphics queue are the only two options that you have. Photo is if you're going to print pictures. Graphics is pretty much everything else. So all you'll have to do is import any pictures in here, and then you pretty much would just size it however size you wanted it, place it wherever you want on the sheet. You can make duplicates, all that kind of stuff, and you can hit the print button after that. And that's pretty much all the software, guys. So I hope this is helpful for you. There'll be a part 2 to this video with tips and tricks on using the software and all the special tools that it has and kind of your best way to use the software. So we'll link that video in the description below. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.